It is finally here, the new Huawei MatePad 11 and its accessories. I have been looking forward for this MatePad 11 because I personally have been using the last year model Huawei MatePad Pro as my daily driver for email, social media, work, and even gaming on it. So I'm rather want to see what kind of changes they have made for this new generation of MatePad, and of course together with all of their accessories. Today's package comes with the MatePad 11 as well as the Huawei Smart Magnetic Keyboard, which is compatible with the Huawei MatePad 11, and as well as the second generation of the Huawei MPencil. So without further ado, let us dive straight into the unboxing and see what kind of stuff you can expect coming out of all of these boxes. We shall start the unboxing with the Huawei MatePad 11 by leaving aside its accessories. The packaging itself is very standard, the Huawei white box, and upon lifting up the top cover, you are greeted by the MatePad 11, which we shall leave it aside for the time being and check out what comes inside the box. The bigger box contains the user manual, charging cable, as well as the USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio dongle. Unfortunately, our package somehow doesn't contain any of the paperwork, so at least you still get the USB cable as well as the Type-C to 3.5mm audio dongle. Not sure what happened to our package to the point that the user manual is missing, but hey, at least we still have the SIM ejector tool so that at least you can still eject the SIM tray. There is also a smaller box, or should I say a smaller compartment that houses the USB Type-A charging brick. This is a standard USB Type-A charging brick that outputs 22.5 watt power, so not exactly a high power one, but hey, it is a respectable one that can easily charge up your tablet without any problem. So moving on to the tablet itself, now the one we got here today is the olive green version. Of course you can't see the color from the front, but what really stands out is the feeling, the touch feeling at the back panel. So unlike any of the other hard shell body, the back feels a little bit of a soft touch finish to it, and the olive green makes it a lot more stand out from the rest of those black and white models. While we are waiting the MatePad to boot up, we shall check out the Huawei Smart Magnetic Keyboard cover for the MatePad 11. It is one of their most important accessories simply because they are trying to sell the MatePad as a laptop alternative. It is for those users who want a bigger smartphone experience, but they don't want to deal with the hassle of a bigger and much more heavier Windows laptop. So a hybrid between the laptop and the smartphone, which is a tablet, seems like a reasonable solution if you just slap on a keyboard cover and you can just use it whether in laptop mode or in tablet mode. I believe Huawei has not changed anything to this keyboard cover because it feels exactly the same as the one I'm currently have right now. The cover is attached to the tablet magnetically, so you just slap it to the back of the MatePad and it will stay there without moving. Frankly speaking, I like this kind of cover because it is very easy to remove. If you want to use it without the keyboard, then just attach it back if you want to use the keyboard. There are two different angles you can attach the keyboard. As you can see right here, everything is working through magnetically, and even the power is supplied from the tablet to the keyboard through Qi wireless charging connection. Let us know what you guys think about this cover in the comment section below. Next up, we're gonna check out the Huawei's second generation MPencil. Their second generation stylus has introduced a couple of new features which I'm looking forward to test it out. What you get in the box is of course the MPencil Generation 2, some paperwork and replacement tips. They also have this transparent platinum coated tip which is said to provide a better writing experience. Then again, I'm really looking forward to try out its double tap functionality where you can double tap and change different pen mode. Charging this active stylus is relatively easy by just attaching it magnetically to the side of the MatePad. So that's all for this unboxing video. I hope you guys can leave whatever question down in the comment section below. A full review will come very soon. Stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.